Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry fully before gluing. Prepare a flat workspace and good light for accuracy and focus. Plan rhinestone placement and test the layout on scrap paper first to confirm spacing and pattern. Gather tools like tweezers, a 0.5 mm applicator tip, and a toothpick for adjustments. Keep stones sorted by size and color in small containers for quick access. Measure dot size visually around 1.5 millimeters for consistent adhesion. Apply a pea-sized dot about 2 millimeters in diameter of gel glue to the surface. Work one stone at a time to prevent the glue from skinning over and losing tack. Pick up the rhinestone with tweezers and place it directly onto the wet glue dot with steady hands. Press the stone gently for 3 to 5 seconds to seat it and improve initial adhesion. Use a toothpick to remove any excess adhesive immediately before it begins to set. Maintain good posture to keep placement precise and consistent. Allow the glued piece to cure undisturbed for 24 hours to reach full strength. Keep the item flat and avoid moving parts or bending during the cure period to prevent stress on bonds. Avoid water exposure for 24 hours and avoid heavy abrasion for 3 days to preserve adhesion. For clothing, turn garments inside out before washing and use a gentle cycle when appropriate. Store finished items flat and handle edges gently to prevent stone loss over time. Inspect bonds periodically and reapply small glue dots when needed for maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.